Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I have missed you so much, and I have been trying to upload videos, not really upload videos, but to just like make content. But I've been super busy, like balancing between every life and the other life that I have, and I've been doing so much more. But I'm excited that you guys are still here and you came back to see this video, to watch the video, and I hope you guys will like it. But do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And so right now we are headed out. We're about to go and have some dinner. So is it now? It's brunch stroke dinner kind of a thing, because I don't think we'll come back and eat. I have missed this breakfast, but I don't know if they still have breakfast now. It's a breakfast, lunch, and dinner place. I don't know if they serve breakfast right now, but if they do, well and good. I have some cravings for some things over there, but if they don't, then that's all fine. We just have dinner, stroke lunch, stroke brunch, stroke everything, you know. And other than that, I've been super well, fantastic. I feel good. I feel blessed and all of that. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to do all the good stuff that I told you. And let's do it. But before I forget, this is my fit. I got this from H&M. I also got this. Where did I get this? I got this from Shein, I guess. This was a gift from my sister. She gave me this because I have a white pink one. So she gave this to me because I think this is red or something purple. It's not purple, but yeah, she gave me this. And then for the shoes, I'm gonna wear some shoes that I was gifted too. And what else? For this, I got a Dollar Tree. Can you imagine getting this kind of? I love them so much. They give some classy type of vibe and some body vibes, I guess. I don't want to look like a body, but I think for the fit that I'm good, giving casual vibe. But I'm gonna take cute pictures today. So it's my feet, and I love it.
So funny to be. That girl you think I left but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my line. Long steady on the name. Talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the good man. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have
options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my side. I still check in with you. I know that I need.
Hey guys, we just got to the hotel where we will be having a staycation, and right now I want to show you room tour. So right now I'm in the bathroom. If you guys can see, that is the bathroom. Allow the bathroom looks. This is a bathtub, so pretty. I like how there's a lot of white in the interior of this. bathroom is like how the towels are folded right here. Everything. I don't know. This can't be opened yet, but that's where they put the soap in. So now this is the entrance, and this is where we put our stuff. Like, I don't want to open there because there's a lot of stuff there. And then as we enter, they don't have a lot of lights, so the lights are right that one, the other one, there's another one like that. This is the TV. How many inches are this, babe? Did they specify? I'm not sure how many inches this is. They have a little coffee mate to make some coffee. I like me a king bed, so my baby actually got us a king bed. I'm so excited about that. We always get king beds. I don't know, even when I'm just by myself, I always get a king bed. The watch is already set, and we have this couch right here. I love it. I just love how the combination of the colors in this room looks so beautiful. And then there's a desk right here. There's also another mirror for the galleys, and right here is the microwave. They have the ice container right there. This is the fridge, and this is the extra storage right here. And that is our room tour. I hope you guys liked it.
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat to change, but I noticed the end. On true, on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my life. Like a 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat to change, but I noticed the end. On true, on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there.
It's gonna be fun, so come along with us and spend the
That's
day.
why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my line. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have
Options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Maybe you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Cool. This will fill you up. It will fill you up, and then you know what I'm going to be left with? Not enough to fill myself up.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake, been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, it's good to know where you live right now. So let's not waste another day. Don't you find out to see the moon? Let's take nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. It's good to know where you live and I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another time to buy. See what the top down. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will work out itself.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Tell about the healer, greater is the
Hello guys, and happy new month. How are you guys doing? So today's on Monday, it's April 1st, and I got this because it's called the portable label maker. So this is a type of label maker that you can actually like download an app for it, and this little printer, and then just type any words that you want to, you know, print, maybe for your office, maybe for your kitchen, maybe for your stuff in the house, just anything that you want to print and make it look so clean. So for this, I'll be using it in the office for my stuff, or for some, you know, some compartments in the office, or even here, like let's say for example I want to label like sugar. I want to label anything in this house that I want it looking neat, instead of like using a Sharpie or a ball pen, or you know, anything else. Portable label maker, you can find it on a link that I'm gonna put down here, so in case you love this, you might as well just go and grab it. So I'm gonna show you like right here, like how you can operate this and how you can connect to your Bluetooth. So just like connect to your Bluetooth, write whatever you want using the app, and then just do printing. It's actually you can charge it using power. It doesn't have to be batteries, so you're good to go. I'll show you guys, and let's get this from the link down below. And then get okay, perfect.
See,
Whenever I need.
good.
Hey guys, happy Friday. Hope you guys are good. Weekend is here right now. We headed to Best Buy to check out some cameras and all that. I hope I buy one. Maybe not today. I'm just going to check what they have, and then I'll compare with the online. So today is on Friday, the 5th, and I hope this video goes live on Tuesday. So let's go.
Lights on, see? Look at that Tesla.
And how much is the $2.99?
This day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
I guess someone else did.
Yeah, on one side. For the American, I have to
Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Right now I'm headed to the gym, and then I have duty today, so my duty starts at 1500. Right now it's at 13:55. I have like, I think about maybe 20 minutes to get to the gym, because I use the gym at work. Yet I haven't gotten myself a membership anywhere. I've been trying to look for one, and then I kind of gave up because that place, I had an appointment for me when I went there, and the person was not there at the door to open for me. So I don't know what happened, because I was late for about 5 minutes. So I'm still using the free gym on base, because you know I have to use this benefits that I have. And yeah, so there's a little bit of traffic right now, not as much, but I hope I get there and be able to walk for about 45 minutes and change to my work clothes. And yeah, I hope this video goes live this week. I'm really hopeful, because I have some PR videos that also are in this video that needs to go live this week, hopefully, and I hope I'll be able to do that. I'll see you guys.
When she reach like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within.
You on scene, so funny to me. That girl you think I left, but what time? Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my line. Long stay up late, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the red. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause I have
Cautious, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave